We're going to continue on our theme this morning of hidden treasures. These are just some really beautiful pieces, coordinating pieces in some case. Like this is 100% cotton. It has stretch in one direction, but the stretch typically is selvage to selvage. This is running the length of the fabric, which if you get a little bit of history on fabrics, this is actually much better quality because the fabric, the stretch is running the length of the fabric. And it's stable on this way. So anyway, you'll see that when you get it. But this is a beautiful black and white, and of course the opposite here is the white with the black. It's not a strong white, it's more of a milk color. It's perfect for this time of year, but to just do something really fun with both of them would be, I just think, amazing. So this is a 100% cotton, stretch in one direction, beautiful stretch woven. Then we have with it this great suede black. It's kind of like an animal print, tone on tone, but it's a suede. And hold it still so you can see it. Just really pretty. It is a woven. It's a great pair of slacks, just topped off with a cute little sweater, great jacket, really, even a blouse. It's light enough to do any of those, but great, it's got great drape. And then this is a border print. We've got a small border across the top, and then we've got the bottom. So this really enables you with these different prints to do all kinds of different things. Love the colors in here. I did a blouse and just absolutely love it. And then the bottom is completely black, so it leads again for parts that are that you can piece together. This is 100% viscose. It's a woven. And then I love this graduated. This is a graduated green and black, and a lot of greens I don't like. This green is just stunning. It's very pretty, and especially with the black, and you can see the gradation all the way through it. Very, very pretty fabric. Very, very simple. This last one, this is 100% viscose. This last one is a Ralph Lauren. It's 100% cotton. Beautiful piece. It's black and camel together. The plaids are abstract enough they wouldn't need to be matched. They could be put on a bias. Just all kinds of fun things to do with those. Again, beautiful piece of fabric. 100% cotton, Ralph Lauren. And it's a woven cotton. The goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.